Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Who are you saying it to?
Not you.
Who are you saying it to? Uncle Mike?
Yeah.
Say Merry Christmas, Uncle Mike.
Merry Christmas, Uncle Mike.
And Aunt Jill.
Merry Christmas, Aunt.
You being a donkey bouncer?
Merry Christmas.
Don't fall down. You want to tell Uncle Mike what Santa brought you?
Santa brought me a remote control car.
What else? What did Barbara get you?
A robot.
What does a robot do?
Must be repaired.
Can you show me the dance that it does?
I'll get it.
Well, just you do the dance. Can you do the dance for me?
No.
Okay, you're just showing it. All right, I'm going to stop it.